Hi guys, my name is Seven John Singleton, and we're gonna crack some eggs to make my breakfast. And one thing that I really love about my breakfast is eggs. And we're gonna move on to part 2 after this egg video. Let's do this. So first you get an egg, then you crack it. And look, it's almost cracked. And when it be cracked fully, then you open it. And that's good. Let me take this cell out. So you gotta get the egg cells out. If you accidentally get the egg cells, you get egg cells. So let's do this. Get all that in. Get all that yolk in. Yeah, there goes that yummy yolk. There goes that yummy yolk. Yeah. And now, let's whisk it. You have to whisk very, very fast. Whisk, whisk, whisk. You always have to whisk. That's good. I think it's juicy enough. Look at this. I know, it looks like we're making a cake, but we're not making a cake. We're making my breakfast. Now get some salt.
Too much. Too much.
Season it. And now whisk it again. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Good. Now, look at this paradise. We have made the eggs! And my hands are pretty dirty. I'm gonna go wash them. They're pretty sticky for my hands. But we didn't get any egg cells on. I smell it. Smells like eggs. Yep, white. Smells like eggs. But it's a good food for a start. Guys, it's step 2. Butter. And you're supposed to do the 1-step cup, and we're gonna cut it. Let's do this. We're just gonna cut it through the paper and into the butter. We're almost there. Oh yeah! And look at this paradise of butter. Oh, that's our first one. Now we'll move on to our second one. 2 scoops. We gotta cut this. Now that's 2. Now that's enough. Guys, I like a little bacon in my breakfast. Bacon breakfast. So let's do this. We're gonna just gonna get 1 scoop of bacon and lay it down. 1, 2, and the last one is 3. So guys, did you know the pancakes that have not been cooked? Yes, they're called mini pancakes. And let's put them on my tray. Let's do this. 1 mini pancake. 2 mini pancakes. 3 mini pancakes. 4 mini pancakes. 5 mini pancakes. But I'm not the broken one. 6 little mini pancakes. 7 little mini pancakes. 8 little mini pancakes. 9 little mini pancakes. Oops, nope. 10 little mini pancakes. Me and the kids are gonna cook all of this up. Before I get my breakfast, I better eat some vitamins. And first, kids vitamin C. Oops. Let's take that out. kids vitamin. And let's take kids vitamin out. That's good. Kids vitamin. And kids vitamin D3. So those are all the vitamins I need. And let me show something. Red, orange, yellow. So let me get these vitamins in. Fill me up. Ayo. Guys, we gotta take our vitamins so it can be strong and healthy. So guys, safety first. If you want to cook this bacon, and you gotta have a grown up if you want to cook this bacon, because this is very, very hot, and it's got a George Foreman grill. And let's lay the bacon down, one by one, 1, 2, 3. Sounds scary, but it's not that scary. It's not gonna burn you. My mom told me that. 1, 2, and 3. Let's close the top now. The light turns green, then it's ready all done. I told you, it's not that scary. You just gotta lay the bacon down and don't touch it. Look at the smoke coming out of it. Look at that smoke coming out of it. Now we're gonna get some butter and place it down. That's 1 butter. That's 2 butter. Now we're gonna wait for it to melt. Guys, see how it's melted? We wanna get it all over the pot. All over the pot. All over. Guys, look, it's melting. It's getting really flat. Oh, it's already melted. Goodbye, butter. See that butter bubbling? That means it's ready for eggs. Now, let's pour it inside. We're gonna whisk it. And this is how you do it when you cook my breakfast. Look at that bucket over there. It's also warming. I know, it works the same. Guys, time for mini pancakes. We're gonna put these babies in the microwave. Let's do this. Wait, 40, 39, 38, 37, 3, 2, 1, 0. These babies are cooked. We're gonna put everything on my plate and we're gonna see what my breakfast looks like. And we're gonna chew it up. Look at my breakfast. And I also love fruit in my breakfast. That's why I got some fruit today. And nom this up and watch some TV while I'm eating it. Guys, this is my breakfast. And let's eat a clip. So good. Really good. I wish I could see her, guys. But if you're in another country, or another state, or another house, it's fine. Maybe you could make your own breakfast with your mom too. And make a video about it. Now watch me pour the syrup. I'm gonna pour the syrup down. Swirl, 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 swirl. No, and you can't put a lot of syrup. And you can only put it on the pancakes. But if you want to put it on the bacon, that's fine. I'll put it on my bacon. That's how you put the syrup on.